I hate how my cosplay came out. I'm gonna give myself 2 hours to get ready for New York Comic Con. Primer. I'm mostly going to get some merch and stuff. I'm not doing a white cosplay ever again. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna set it with this. It's a foundation I'm gonna be using. I haven't used it before, which is bad. Horrible. It's going good so far, actually. I'm a redhead today. Okay. I didn't want heavy face paint, and last time red was everywhere. Translucent. Had to change movie. I couldn't hear shit. Washing Craig of the Creek instead. Seeping into the nose though. Highlight? Alright. Here it is. Ooh, you won't see it, but it picked up. Picked up there too. You can see the hole. Hopefully this like covers it up. Here we go. There's still a hole in my face, but I cover it up kind of. We'll use some red for the darker parts. Makes a nice gradient. I'm just gonna go black. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do a powdered liner. Gold. Okay, let's wipe this off. Fire. I am getting splotchiness. Guess I should get over it. Yeah. Don't even know what to say. Look at that. Look at that. That was about 2 hours. This is the outfit. Not for the hair. This is it done. Yeah. Do I look like I'm fire? I hope so. At least in this I look like fire. But yeah, this is a cosplay I've been complaining about. I'm not pouring the lens until I get there, so.